Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to farm Buffy tokens in BuffyDrop. But first, let's talk about why joining early is so important. When you join BuffyDrop, your tokens will accumulate based on your activity and tasks. However, when the airdrop happens, early users will receive a larger proportion of tokens compared to those who join later. For example, if you're one of the early users and you've collected 1 million Buffy tokens, you could receive 100,000 airdrop tokens. But if you're user number 10 million, you might only receive 20,000 airdrop tokens for the same 1 million Buffy you've collected. So the earlier you join, the more valuable your tokens will be during the airdrop. Don't wait too long. Get in early to maximize the value of your tokens. Step 1. Buffy farming methods. To start farming Buffy tokens, you have two simple options. 1. Tap on the Buffy logo to instantly increase your tokens. 2. Or hit the Start Farming button to begin farming every 8 hours. Both options help you farm tokens regularly, so make sure to farm every chance you get. Step 2. Complete tasks for more Buffy. Next, you can earn even more tokens by completing tasks. These tasks are simple, and they'll help boost your token count quickly. Step 3. Invite friends for extra rewards. If you want to boost your rewards further, invite your friends. For every friend you bring in, you'll receive 1 to 2% of their rewards as a bonus. The more friends you invite, the more passive income you'll generate. Step 4. Airdrop eligibility and wallet connection. Here's another important part. If you want to become eligible for the airdrop, make sure to connect your wallet. This way, when the airdrop happens, you'll be ready to receive your tokens. By requiring users to connect their wallets, we also ensure that only real, loyal Buffy users receive the airdrop. This helps prevent bots from claiming rewards and make sure the tokens go to our dedicated community members. Lastly, make sure to join the BuffyDrop community channel to stay updated on all things Buffy, including referral campaigns and exclusive rewards. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one, and happy farming!